I'm going to talk about I'm going to talk about user stories. User stories. Story. User story. Alright? Now, back then when people gather requirements, all they do is just, I want the system to do this, I want system to do that. But now a lot of business analysts, a lot of project managers and technical people are all beginning to understand the need for capturing requirements using user stories. Now, user stories expresses a single requirement from a user point of view. Now, let me give you an example. So if you are building a hotel management system, for example, you are building an application where individuals can go and book for hotel rooms, cancel their orders, and all that stuff. Now, in my head, I'll be thinking, if this is the hotel system here, who are the different individuals that will be using the system? For example, you have your customers, all right? For example, you have the hotel admin officer, so the hotel admin officer. For example, you have a manager. For example, you have, let's say, the accountant, okay? Now, there are different, or maybe if there are other external agencies, maybe the hotel system might need to go on hotels.com or one of those hotel booking sites, so let me call them external systems. Now, in my head, I'm thinking, gathering requirements as user stories means I need to gather requirements from the point of view of these individuals. For example, what would the customer want to do with this hotel system? So the customer, I can say, as a customer, I want to see photos of the hotel. This is a user story. All right. As a customer, I want to see photos of the hotel. Another user story can be, as a customer, I want to see my bookings, my hotel bookings. As a customer, I want to cancel a booking. As a customer, I would like to maybe update my bookings. Now, you have to gather all the user stories, all the requirements from the customer point of view, and then you can move on maybe to the hotel administrator. As a hotel administrator, I want to see all the current bookings in the hotel. As a hotel administrator, I want to see all the cancelled bookings. As a hotel administrator, I want to see all the rooms that have been, all the rooms where individuals will check out at the end of the day, maybe. As a manager, maybe you want to see total amount of money that the hotel has made that day. As a manager, maybe you want to run a report and see total amount of cancellations over last month's cancellations. But the point is, gathering requirements as user stories means that you would gather requirements from the individual users. So if I'm the business analyst or working as part of a project team, I would speak to people who would use this new system and I'll ask them, how would you use the system? All right. So as a account clerk, I would like to get a report of all the maybe salaries I've paid this month. I would like to understand who is on leave. I would like to understand. So everybody has different things they do with the same hotel management system. So user story helps us to define those requirements from the user perspective. Now, one other very important thing is about user stories is that we also have user stories from the system's perspective. So the application itself, for example, as a system, I need to send an email whenever a new booking is done. As a system, I need to maybe calculate some figures. So the system has its own requirements that will be triggered on its own if a certain activity takes place. So user stories are very important because it can help you clarify what the user requirements are from the individual stakeholder that will be using that system. And I think it's a very important way of requirement gathering, and you need to understand that if you're going to be working on an IT system using Scrum or using Agile, or like user stories are a very, very important way of gathering requirements. Now, it's possible that you might be hearing this for the first time, maybe you've heard about this somewhere else also, but I think if you're going to be working on an IT system, you need to spend a lot of time understanding user stories, understanding user journeys. There's a whole lot more to user story, but I'm just going to give you this bit right now. Once again, thank you very much. My name is Henry Badiwe from On Careers. Check out our website and let's work together. Cheers. Bye-bye.